Hey Fragrance Buddies, it's Bree. I'm super excited to show you guys this fun summer project. We're going to be making some fun and cute watermelon bath bombs today. To get started, we're going to use our dry ingredients. Today we're going to be using baking soda and citric acid to cause the fizz reaction when they get in the water. Make sure that you sift out all of your dry ingredients as well so there's not any clumps. Our last dry ingredient is going to be arrowroot starch. It's used to make the bath bombs harder and last longer in the reaction. Okay, now we're going to grab our whisk and go ahead and mix all of our dry ingredients together. And this part is optional, but I'm going to add SLSA to our mixture to make our bath bombs more bubbly. And gently mix them together. In a separate container, we're going to add our wet ingredients. We're going to be starting with 8 milliliters of our watermelon candy fragrance. Okay, next we're going to be using our Polysorbate 80. This is going to help our water and our fragrance mix together so that way there's not any oily residues left on our bathtub. And now we're going to add about 5 milliliters of our witch hazel. This is going to keep our dry ingredients stuck together without causing a reaction. And now we're going to go ahead and mix our wet ingredients together. So I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on so that way whenever we mix these together, we're going to be kneading them with our hands and we don't want to make a big mess. So make sure that everything is evenly distributed throughout the mixture, and we'll go ahead and see if our bath bombs are ready to be made. And then once your mixture can form a clump in your hand like this, it is ready to be made. Okay, so since I'm making my bath bombs two-toned, I'm going to split this into 2 different containers. Perfect. So now we're going to add poppy seeds to this half of the mixture so that way it resembles watermelon seeds in the bath bomb. Okay, so now we're going to add our Bathbomb colorants to the mixture. These are used specifically for bath bombs. So now I'm going to add our red to this mixture and green to this mixture. And now we're going to go ahead and mix it all together. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and fill our molds. Let me hold it correctly. Okay. All right. All right, so you're going to fill your mold all the way to the top, lightly pack it down. And then we'll sprinkle a little bit extra on top. Set this half aside, and we're going to repeat the exact same steps with the green. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and bring the 2 halves together. We're going to combine them kind of at the bottom and then squish them together. So now we're going to gently tap both sides. Like a hammer. And then remove 1 half of the mold. And then you'll set it aside to dry. So I've let my bath bombs sit for about 48 hours and now they're completely solid. So we're gonna go ahead and give them a try. As you can see, this recipe creates a fun and colorful bath bomb that has tons of bubbles in it. I had a lot of fun making these bath bombs today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching as well. Be sure to comment below what you want to see me make next, and we'll see you next time.